Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to customize a Shopify taste theme. So this is going to be a very straight tutorial, even if you are a beginner. By the end of the video, you are going to have a complete stunning Shopify store just like this one I'm showing you right now on my screen. So make sure to watch this video if you want to learn how you can actually customize your entire Shopify store. So let me tell you a little bit about taste theme before we jump straight into this video. So taste is one of the popular Shopify free themes. It is ideally for specialist product and bold branding. They have like really cool features, for example like mega menu, stick header, and there are so many other cool features. As you can see, it showcases the brand really good. Everything looks nice and clean. It showcases your product quality. They have an adjusted layout and styling and many more other cool features, like on the cart and the checkout there you can write cart notes. There is a quick buy feature in store pickup. You can use this feature. You can also use this feature if you want to do in-store pickup. The theme is also great for visual storytelling because it's designed to showcase images to support a visual brand storytelling. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your entire Shopify store using taste theme. You're gonna have a beautiful store by the end of this video. So if you haven't signed up with Shopify yet, I have a link down below on my description with the best current Shopify deal. So on your first month, you're going to pay only $1 instead of paying the full price of the plan that you're going to pick. You're only going to pay $1. So this will help you to save so much money and you can get started with your business. So if you want to save your coins, make sure to use the link down below on my description. So without wasting so much time, let's jump straight in today's video. So after clicking the link down below from my description, this is the page that you're going to see next. The next step will be to enter your email address here and then click start free trial. And then, as I said before, you are going to get free trial days and then you can enjoy your first month for just $1. Instead of paying the full price for any plan that you're going to choose, you are going to pay $1. So make sure to use the link down below from my description and save tons of money. And then click start free trial. And then on this page here, you can choose to answer these questions or you can just skip it all. It doesn't really matter, but if you want to answer them, you can just select and go next, but it doesn't matter if you skip or not. So I'm just gonna skip all. And then on this section here, you're going to pick where your business is actually located. So my business is located in the United States, and then I'm gonna click next. Okay, great. Now after filling up all the information, now we are inside our Shopify store. So this is how the admin page is going to be looking like. And before we get started, let's go here on the online store. Okay, and then let's go ahead and pick a plan. So this is very important so we can move on to the next stage. And then go ahead and select basic plan. This should be a good plan to start with. And over here, you're going to enter your credit or debit card informations. Or either you want to pay with PayPal, you can go ahead. But they won't charge you because they won't charge you right away. You'll be starting your first 3 days trial, and then after 3 days ended, you're going to pay $1 for your first month, and from there, after a month ended, you'll be paying $39 per month. So what I will recommend you is select pay yearly, because this way you can save $120, and $120 is a lot in your business. So yeah, go ahead, select that and enter your payment informations, and then click here to subscribe, and then we can move on to the next step. Okay, now after that, make sure you are on the online store and on the theme section. Now we are going to start customizing our store using a taste theme. So currently our current theme is Dawn theme, but we are going to do customization with a taste theme. So go ahead here and select visit theme library, and we are going to add in taste theme inside a Shopify. So taste theme should be here. Then okay, Okay, let's click taste theme, and then we are going to click here try theme, and then this theme will be added inside our Shopify store. And here we are, taste will be added. Okay, and then after that, click here publish, and publish, and then your store can be published. And then one thing I forgot to mention, after you have picked a plan and subscribe, this password protection will be removed, meaning after you're done customizing your store, even if you're still in the free trial, Shopify will publish your store and you can start receiving sales. But if you don't subscribe, you won't be able to make your store public and start advertising out there and start making sales. So anyways, let's move on to the next step, which is customizing your store. So let's click here customize, and I'm going to show you how taste theme actually looks like inside. So this is how the themes actually looks like. So this is how the customization page looks like. It's pretty much empty, but we are going to customize everything, and by the end of the video you will pretty much have a cool store like this, like how the demo shows here. So you can start making your store, so you can publish your store. So you're going to add all of this you see here. So one thing I want to do, let's exit here. So I'm gonna start by adding product. Click here where it says product, and this is where all your products will be shown if you add them. So I'm gonna click here add product, and I'm going to start adding all the products that I want to sell in my store. So this is where you're going to put your title, description, and your product media. So I'm gonna start by I'm going to start by uploading an image. So I'm going to click upload here, and I'm going to select images from my computer. Okay, and then done. So these are the images for my product, and what I'll recommend you, always add more than 2 images so your customer can see different side angles of your product. And then I am going to enter here the title of the product. So I'm going to type in, so this is my product title. Okay, pineapple juice. Okay, and then I'm going to paste here my product description. Okay, so this is our product detail, and then let's go down here, and then down here you can choose the category, which is fruits, flavored drinks, or you can click over here and you can try to find any category that goes with your drink. But just Shopify just generated my category right away because of the description that I added there. And then over here, this is the pricing. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna sell this drink $12.99, and maybe I bought this for $1, and this is my profit, and my profit margin is 69.2. And then if this is the physical product, make sure to select here track quantity. And if you have physical store, make sure to select like how many locations this product will be available. And if you want to sell this product when it's out of stock, you can select this, or if you don't want, you can just leave it as how it is. And then on the shipping, this is make sure you select shipping. This box is selected here if your product is a physical product. And yeah, now we're going to the variant. So over here you can select maybe by flavor, so flavor, and then we are going to add the flavor. So what flavor do we have? Pineapple. So you can select different flavor you have, so banana. Okay, and now we have a new one, so I'm just gonna leave pineapple there. Okay, and then I'm gonna put here how many quantity I have. So I'm gonna say I have 1,000 on the inventory. Okay, and then over here you can add another variant if you have maybe like a package type, or if and many more, or you can even add another custom options. Okay, and then from there, this is the category meta field. So this was just added because of the description that we put over here, which is really cool. And then this is your search engine listing. This is how people will actually find it on the internet. Oops. Okay, and then next thing on the status, make sure you put it as active if you want this product to be available right away, or if you don't want, you can just put here draft. And then this is where this product will be published to. And then this is the product organization. If you want to type in here what type of product this is, I'm just gonna put drink. And then you can write in a vendor if you want. All of this section, they're not like really required, but if you just want to be on the safe side, that to help you out next time when you want to restock and you're looking for a vendor, you can do that. And then where do you want this collection to be, you can select that. And then tags here, I'm just gonna write can juice, click enter. Okay, I'm gonna pineapple, I'm gonna, and then we're gonna type in here juice. Okay, and then that should be good. And then we are going to click here save a product. So that's how you can add your products and customize them. And then now let's go back, and this is where you will see all your products. So this is how you can add all the products you want to add in your store. And this is, so I am going to add more products, and then after when I'm done, I'll come back and we can move on to the next stage. But I am going to add many more other products, and I am going to follow the same step that I showed you how to add this, and then we'll move on to the next step after that. Okay, so now I have added all the products that I wanted to add in my store. The next step is going to be creating collections. So let's click here, collections, and this is where all the collections, they're going to appear. So I'm going to click here, create collections, and I am going to put the title George's drinks. Okay, and then you can either add collection through a manual way or automated way. On this first collection, I'm going to show you how to add with manual, and then I'm going to add an image of this collection. So I'm going to click add image, and I'm going to click this image here, and then I'm going to open, and then I'm going to click save. And then over here, I am going to go to the product section, and I am going to browse all my products, and I am going to select all the canes juice, and I'm going to add. And that's how you can add your collections. And then I'm going to show you how to add another collection in automated way. And I'm going to type in here box juices, and I'm going to put here automated, and I'm going to use product tag, and I'm going to put a butcher juice, and I'm going to see. Okay, I'm just gonna put juice. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to take this one out. I'm gonna put here any conditions, and then I am going to click save. Okay, I forgot one thing. I'm gonna have to add an image here, and I'm going to select this. I'm gonna click open, and then I am going to click here save. So this is how you can add your collections. So what I wanted to show you here is let me add another one. Okay, anyways, so this is how you can add all your collections in your Shopify store. I just showed you like a quick way to do this, but if you want a full in-depth explanation on how to add your manual collection and automated collection, I'm going to link the video down below on my description. Go ahead and click it if you want all the details on how to actually do it. Okay, and then after that, this should be good. Let's go back on our online store, and then let's go to customize our store so we can continue to customize our store fully. So I'm gonna click here customize, and you will see we have some of our products here. They just being added automatic because we added the products already. So now let's start by customizing our header section. This is how we're going to actually take inspiration from this demo style. So we're going to do just like how they did here. It won't look exactly the same, but it's gonna be like similar. So let's start by announcement. They say here free shipping on all order over $70. So let's click here on announcement bar. Let's go back. Okay, and then we are going to add here, let's say free shipping on all order, let's say over $50. We're gonna say over $50. Okay, and then we're going to paste a link here, so this announcement can be clickable, so you can pick either collections or certain products. So I'm gonna put all collections. Then I'm gonna go back, and now we are moving to the header section or the main menu section. So we're going to start by adding a logo. So to add a logo, let's click here where it says theme settings, and then we're going to select an image, and all your image they're going to be here. So I'm gonna add an image from my computer, and I'm going to select my logo, and my logo will be added, and then I'm gonna click here done, and now my logo is here. It says tasty juice. Okay, and let's see, they actually don't have a logo here, but this is how it looks like for them. So we have our logo on the taste section. Okay, and then we will move on to customize the main menu just like this one here, but on the next we will have to come out from the customization page. But for now, let's finish all the customization from here, and then we can move on from there. So let's say you want to customize how your logo should look like. So you can increase the width from here. You can see it's getting like bigger and bigger. So pick the size that you think it's the best for you. Okay, and then let's go back here, and now let's start customizing our banner section. So let's try to add a big banner section like this. So I'm just gonna go back here, and we are going to select an image. So you can add an image, you can click select, you can select the images you have, or you can explore free images from Shopify. So I'm just going to show you how to explore some free images, and I'm going to type in here drinks, and let's see what kind of drinks they have. Actually I'm going to type in here juice, some juice. Okay, so these are the juices they have. So I am going to select one image, so I'm going to select that image there. So this should be good, and then I'm going to select. Okay, and then if you want it to be smaller like that, or you want it to be medium, or you want it to be larger, you can change the size. If we go back here, they have on a medium size, so we can leave ours to in a medium size. Let's see, yeah, this is medium, so let's leave it as medium. And then let's see what else. That should be good. Let's go back, and now we are going to edit our text section. So click here, letters, and let's see what they say. They say take a sip, so let's do that. So you can add in here your text over here on this, take a sip. And then you can change your size if you want it to be large, medium, etc. And then let's go back, and then on the call to action here, we are going to, so make sure you select it, and then oops, sorry, let's go back on the home page. Okay, on the call to action here, let's see what they say. They say shop lemonade, so let's say shop oranges. sharp oranges. And then if you want to outline it, you can select this one so it can have an outline, or you don't want an outline button style, you can leave it like that, just like how they did here. Okay, and then that should be good. Click here, save. So we are done customizing our banner section. Okay, next let's customize this section here, meet our best sellers. So let's go back here. This is our featured product, so click here, featured product, and we can type in here, meet our best sellers, and this will be your best seller product. You can add a description if you want, but you don't have to if you don't want. And if you want to put maybe a specific collection, you can go here and change. Click here, change collection. Maybe you want to show maybe only boxed juices, canned juices, any collection that you want. But for now, I'm just gonna put all the collection for me because I don't have many products on all the collection, so I'm just gonna put this for now. But that's how you can actually change it. And now let's go back. So that's done. Let's see another section here. They had a banner section, so let's create a banner section. So over here, as you can see, these are our product best sellers. You can see the product and as well as the prices and title and everything. Let's add another section here, which is the banner section. So you're gonna click here, add section, and you can select either you want to add featured product, collection list, rich text, image with text, or image banner like that, slideshow. Let me see here. Okay, so let's add a banner section here. So I'm going to select image banner. Okay, and here we are. So now let's select an image that we want to showcase here. Let's see what they did. Okay, so I'm going to explore free images. Gonna type in here drinks, and I am going to look for a picture, maybe this one. Okay, this one is good, so I am gonna go with that, and I am going to click here, select. And now let's get rid of this banner here. Show container on the desktop, we can unselect. Oh, okay, we can unselect that. And then, okay, do they have call to action? No, they don't have call to action. So let's get rid of these two call to actions here. Gonna go back. So we can click this box here, and then we're just gonna remove the text. Gonna remove it, and they should just disappear. And then let's go back, and now we are going to edit this image banner, this text here. And I'm going to paste. So that's how it's going to look like. And I'm going to click this one here, and I'm going to delete this so that can disappear. And now it only shows like that. Okay, so let's say you don't like this image. I kind of want to change my image. Explore for images. I'm gonna put in here drinks. I kind of want to change this. Let me try this one. Okay, I am going to select this one. I think I like this one better. Let me show you how you can actually change this text. We can try a different color. Let's go here on the settings, and on the settings, and then on the color scheme. So we are using this one, so we can change the text. Can change color maybe to white. Can pick the color you want. Okay, I'm just gonna leave black as how it is. Okay, I'm just gonna go back. Okay, now we have our banner section here. The next step, let's add different collections here. Okay, so I'm gonna go back, and now we are going to add another collection down here. So we're gonna click here, add section, and let's see, featured product, featured collections, collection list. Okay, let's select collection list, and then we are going to list all our collection here. So I'm going to click on this collection and I'm going to select a collection. So I'm going to start with the canned drink juices, and then I'm going to click here, select. I'm going to go back. I'm going to add another collections. Let's do box juices, and then click this one to select, and let's do oh my bad, click here. I'm gonna do box juices, click here, select, go back, let's add this, select, and then butter juices, and then click select, and that should be good. Let's go back, and then on the collection here, let's click collection, and we're gonna take this title out. I'm gonna take that out, and that should be good. And then we're gonna click save. So everything seems to be coming out nicely. It kind of look like a real store now. So next we are going to add another banner section with text and product. So let's go back. We're going to add another section. So we are going to select let's see, image with text. I believe that's the one. Okay, let's click image with the text, and the color section will be shown here. And over here you can see the text there on the left side and the product is on the right side. So make sure you select that, and then we are going to move this one. So we're gonna have image second. So now we have the text here, and we're going to put the description and the title. So let's select an image first. So I'm gonna click that. I'm going to select an image. Let's do Gatorade. Gonna add that, and then we are going to type in here a text. I'm gonna paste. So I just copied the text here. So pretty much this is one of the review. Looks like it's a review from a customer. So you can do the same thing too, or you really don't have to write a review, just like how they did here. You can type maybe something like try our best selling drink, or try this a trending drink during this season, maybe like during summertime. So you can do that there. And then I'm gonna go back. I'm going to click this image with text. I am going to take out the text. I feel like I want to change my product. So I'm going to click here, select from library. Let me put, okay, that one looks much better. They don't have call to action. So if you want to get rid of the call to action, you can take that out. And that should be it. And they kind of like changed the size of this. So we can make it smaller. We can change the size by doing smaller, and that's how it's gonna look like. Okay, and let's see, what did they do again? So next they did a product. They added just a product. So let's do the same thing. Let's go down here, let's go back. I'm gonna click save, and we are going to add another section. We are going to add featured product. Okay, and then we are going to select the product, select product. Let's do this one, and then the product will be added, as well as the flavor collections and everything else. And then let's click here, select, and let's go back. Okay, and they have another section here. This looks like a malt color, so let's try to do the same thing too. Gonna go back. You're gonna go click here, add selection, and this is their malt column. Okay, malt column, and this column here will be shown, and they add here an image. Okay, let's see. So let's select. We are going to add a product image. I'm going to explore for images. I'm gonna click select, and then on this section here they added a text, so you can actually select how you actually want to write on this section here. So they're actually telling their customers about their sustainability in their business. So you can find something creative you want to talk on this section, or you can just skip this section if you don't want. But for the aim of this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how you can actually do this if you're thinking of doing what they did. So I'm just going to paste. And they make this section clickable, and they put like learn more. That means they added a call to action, so we're gonna put it here too. Click to, they say click, oh, learn more. Okay, learn more. And they make this also clickable, and what they did, they put a page where they wrote things about their sustainability on and things like that. So I'm just gonna show you how you can add pages, but this is just a tutorial, so this page doesn't have to do with this, but I'm just gonna show you how to make the link clickable. And then after that, let's go back. And next they added another image here, so I'm going to add another image, small image. Okay, that should be good. I'm going to click select so I can have all my images size looking nicely. And this is where you can put the heading on multi-column section. I'm just gonna take the heading, just gonna put it here. Okay, and let's click save. And lastly, they added here more of their product, so if you want you can do that as well. So let's go back, and you can go ahead and add another section. Oh, not column. Click here, add section. Add section, and we are going to add collection list. And then we're going to click here, collection, select, and I'm gonna put that. But you really don't have to do it if you don't want to have all this section, but just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna do it so I can show you how you can actually do it. But that's how you can actually do it anyways. And let's go back, bundle up and save. So this is the title. I'm gonna show you how to do that as well. Click here on top, edit the collection and paste it. Okay, let's take this, let's go back here. We are going to take this call to action here off, go back, and then click save. So this is how your store is actually looking like. This is how you can customize it, and it kind of look like how the demo pretty much. So you can take an inspiration, and that's how you can add different sections. So now I'm going to show you how you can customize your footer menu as well as your main menu, and pretty much after that we should have like a few more steps to go and we should be done. First of all, I am going to show you how you can do customization in terms of color. So let's go here on settings, and you can pick your color scheme you want. So for now we are on scheme number 1. You can choose if you want number 2, and you can change everything like background and everything else, or if you want to use scheme number 3, so you can play with the colors. Just pick the color scheme you want. For now I'm just gonna leave how it is because I like this one. So let's go on the settings. Let's change typograph, so you can change the text how it actually looks like. For now we can change maybe serif. or maybe Echo. And as you can see, the text keep changing, so you can pick the fonts that you actually want. Okay, and I'm going to click select the heading, and then we're going to change the body to, I'm gonna left and self, and then I'm gonna click that, and I'm gonna click save. And then, so once we are done with customization here, let's go and customize our main menu on top here, so we can have main menu like this, as well as a drop down menu. So let's exit, and now we are back to the Shopify admin page. Okay, so now we are here on the online store section. We are going to create our main menu. So go right here where it says navigations, and we are going to set up our main menu. Click main menu, which is this menu on top here. So let's start by add a menu, and we are going to put here drinks, and let's put collections and all collections, and click add. And then let's add another collections. Let's click here collections, and we have buttery juices. Click add another collections, box juices, another collection, canned juices. Okay, and then let's add another one. Let's say bundles. Let's put here bundles, so like people can buy in bulk. I'm gonna put here maybe all collections, so they can buy in bundles. So let's say if you are also like, you have maybe like different things you want to show in your store, like in this case like drinks, maybe like a recipe, you want to show people how they can make different recipes too. Okay, I'm gonna put in here. Okay, and then I'm gonna add maybe a blog. So if you have a blog you wrote there, you can just put it there and stuff like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to do a drop down menu, just like how they did here. So these are the drinks. So I'm gonna start with the butchers. I'm gonna click these 6 dots here, and I'm gonna drag it inside the drinks, and now we have a drop down menu for the boxes, and we can do the same thing for the other drinks too. Okay, I'm gonna fix this by dropping it down back there, and then I am going to put them back here so they can all be dropped down on the drink sections. Okay, so that should be good. And then I'm going to click save. So that's how you can add your main menu. Okay, now let's go back, and then let's go on our online store and click the I thing here, and let's view our store. So this is how our store is actually looking like, and this is our main menu. So I'm just gonna have to customize them more. I'm gonna move this drop down. I'm gonna move the drinks here, bundles here, recipes here, and yeah. Okay, let's go back on the navigations, the main menu, and we are going to move the drinks on top here after home, and then we're gonna put the bundles. Okay, recipe. Okay, and then click here save. Okay, let's refresh. Okay, and now it has been refreshed. Okay, I don't like how this image, the banner section looks like. It's kind of like way too big. So let me show you how you can actually edit that if you have the same issue as me. I'm gonna click here customize, and I'm gonna click the image, and I'm going to make the images smaller so it can make sense, because it wasn't looking great. So let's refresh and see. Okay, a little bit much better. It's much better now. Okay, so that's how my store is looking like. So I am done customizing the main menu. Now let me go ahead and show you how you can customize the footer menu so you can have something like this. As of now it looks plain like this, so I'm going to show you how you can add something like this. Okay, let's go back. So first of all, we are gonna go here on the settings and we are going to add policies. So click policies, and over here we are going to add return, privacy, terms of service, shipping, etc. So click here. So we can insert template from Shopify. So when you click insert, so this is the template like ready from Shopify. What I'll recommend you is click insert so you can have this template, but go ahead and edit a few stuff before moving ahead, before publishing it. And then make sure to review and put add, edit, delete some of the stuff you don't want. Don't use the entire templates. Okay. So, and then just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just gonna copy some of this so I can fill it in this and save it. You can insert templates and then click publish. Okay, so that's how you can add your policies. As I said before, everything comes from Shopify. Not everything, some of these, except the shipping and contact form, but the rest you can take the templates from Shopify. But make sure you edit some information, add some information, and delete some information that they don't align with your business. If you want to take inspiration, you can just visit any store that sell similar things from you and take an inspiration on how they did it. And then after that, let's go back on our Shopify and go to the navigation, and we're gonna add our pages on the footer menu. So we're gonna click here, add menu. I'm gonna go here, gonna go policies. We're gonna start by contact info, click add, another one, terms of service, shipping policies, refund policies, and the last one, privacy policies, and click add. So let's say you want privacy policy to be on top. You can just drag these 6 dots and you can arrange them as the way you want. Okay, and then after that, click save. Okay, now let's go on our online store and click refresh, and you can see our policies has been added down here. That's how you can add your policies in your store, and this is how you can customize your footer menu. Another thing I am going to show you is to add social media as well as the payment method that are available in your Shopify. So to do that, let's go on the online store and make sure you're on the theme section. Click here, customize, and then let's go all the way on the footer section. Over here, we are going to enable payment icons so they can show what kind of payments are you receiving in your store. So I'm gonna click here, show payment, and the payment will be here. Show social media icons. I'm gonna show you how to add the social media icons. And another thing, right now there is only PayPal and Venmo. You also want to show if you're receiving debit, credit card, all type of credit cards, all type of debit cards. I'm gonna show you how to do that in a bit, but for now let's start with the social media icons. Make sure this box is selected, so when we add our social media, they're all going to be here. So let's go back, and then let's go here, click settings, and we are going to social media, and we're gonna add Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. Okay, and then we're gonna paste our Instagram page, and our Instagram will be shown here. And now let's go ahead and add Facebook. Okay, let's add our Facebook here, and then Facebook will be shown here automatic. So you can add all the social media you want to add. that are supported by Shopify. Then click save. So one thing I forgot to show you, let's go here on my store. Let's refresh. Can also show me they're down here. So when they click this logo, they'll be taken on the home page of our store. Maybe the home, that's how they're going to be taken. And let's click this product here. You can see we have different angles. This is how our product images are going to be showing up, and this is the title of our product, different flavor, the price, and the shipping information will be shown here. They can add to cart, they can buy it right away, and this is how the product section looks like. And also when they go scroll down, this is where they will also see different product recommendations. So that's how products are actually looking like. And this is our drop down menu. So we have box juices, butchers, and canned juices. If they click the butcher, all the butcher juices will be shown there. All the butcher juices will be shown there. And then we have canned juices, and all the canned juices will be shown there as well. So that's how our collection will be looking like. And if they want to buy in bundles, that's how the bundles section will be actually looking like. Okay, so that is pretty much for now, and these are our catalog. Okay, and yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. So let me show you different payments methods. So we are pretty much done for now. But the biggest thing I want to show you is over here where it says payments method. This is very important. You need to come here and complete account setup. So this way you can let your customer know they can pay their way with different Shopify payments, which is very important. And it will be shown down below here, all the payments method. So what you're going to do, click here, complete account setup, and then you can follow all this information. You can submit all the information about your business, and you can do different verification. And once you do that, Shopify will actually take a couple of hours to approve your process, and then you can be good to go. So this is steps are like so easy. So let's say if you're a registered business, or you are an individual, you haven't registered with a legal entity, so you're just running a store in your name, you can select that. So let's choose that for now. And then over here you can add all your information, your names, email address, social security number, and addresses. And then you can move on to the next step, where it's gonna be store details, and then Shopify can do review. So the process is like very easy and simple. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm not gonna do all of these steps, but make sure to do that so you can have Shopify payment on your store, which is like very crucial. So that is pretty much it. Again, don't forget to pick a plan, because if you didn't pick a plan and subscribe, which you're going to pay $1 for your first month, if you're done customizing your store, you won't be able to make your store public because it's still protected with password, and this is because you haven't subscribed yet. So make sure you pick a plan. You'll have free trial days, and then you can pay $1 on your first month, and from there you can pay that. So make sure you do that, otherwise you won't be able to make your store public. So that's it for today's video. If you like today's video, please let me know down below on the comment section, and make sure to like this video. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.